If you're a longtime follower of the channel, you know that I love a good quality t-shirt. And our friends over at Shinesty, who we previously did a review on their couples underwear set, they've just come out with their Everyman tees. They're branching out, guys, and I'm going to give you my thoughts on them today, so stay tuned. What's going on, dudes and foxy dudettes? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we talk about a bunch of different topics, such as like t-shirts, fragrance, hair care, hair products. Really, we talk about a little bit of everything. So if that interests you, please be sure to drop a like and be sure to click the subscribe button. It helps us out. We're a small channel trying to grow, and I would greatly appreciate it. Now, let's hop into today's topic. So a while back, Foxy Dudette Sarah and I did a review on Shinesty's couples underwear set. And I mentioned that earlier in the beginning. We were both very happy with what we received. Very awesome, very soft. That ball hammock is top notch. And if you've had the pleasure of trying a pair of their underwear, you know that they do a good job. Shinesty makes more than just underwear though. They make swimsuits. For guys, they make suits. Women, I believe they make suits as well, and blazers, and jumpsuits and dresses. And you know, for guys and gals, they make swimwear. Recently, they've branched off into t-shirts, and they sent me a few to try. I'm wearing one right now. This is one of the softest t-shirts I have ever seen. The quality is great, but let's dive into it a little bit more. So their t-shirts are made out of what they call super stupid soft fabric. And it's a blend of 60% cotton, 40% modal, which I always rave about on this channel. Modal cotton is one of my favorites. It's so super soft. They describe these as a mid-weight t-shirt, so it's not going to be like too heavy, but it's going to be perfect, right? And there is no polyester in these whatsoever. I'm not a big fan of polyester in t-shirts. It's basically, you know, plastic, and it can trap odor sometimes, but these will not. You always want to go with a nice natural fiber. So what's cool about that kind of a blend of fiber is that it gives it like a nice natural stretch. So, you know, if you've got, you know, a little bit of a beer belly, or you got some man boobies, it's going to give you a nice flattering form. Some t-shirts don't do that. They really focus on doing that, and to be honest, it's true. One thing I really do love about these is the length on the sleeves. That is super important. You know, we neglect, or we just think about biceps when we're working out, right? Everybody's like, who's got the biggest biceps? But it's really the triceps that's really super important. Don't get me wrong, biceps are important too, but triceps are important, and where your t-shirt hits is very important, and these hit in just the right spot. So my favorite part so far has been the fit. Like, these are really super comfortable, but the fit is where it's at. You can have a comfortable t-shirt, but if the fit's not right, you know, it's no bueno. What I like about this is I can, you know, lift my hands above my head, and the shirt doesn't rise above, right? It stays where it's supposed to. The seams are reinforced, so you know that they're gonna last a long time. And I also feel that you can dress this t-shirt up, or you can dress it down. I have worn it with a blazer. I have worn it with a sweatshirt as a layering piece. You know, it's fall now. It's the perfect time to start layering. I think these t-shirts are great because, you know, in the fall, sometimes, you know, it starts off cool in the morning, but it warms up in the afternoon. So you want another extra layering piece. These t-shirts are it. This is the layering piece that you need. Some of these nice, cool t-shirts from Shinesty. One of the cool things I love about these t-shirts are they are solid colors. They do not come in prints. So you're getting, you know, wardrobe basics, some wardrobe staples that you need. And they come in a variety of colors. I'm going to tell you now because I can never remember, so I'm going to read it to you what colors they come in. They are black, gray, white, olive, light blue, and navy. So really, can't go wrong with that color selection. Those are, you know, the basic colors you need for staples in your wardrobe. You know, one of the other things I love about Shinesty is they really care about the earth, the environment, and this bag is biodegradable that the shirts come in. This is how your t-shirt's gonna come in. I think it's, you know, pretty on par with, you know, other brands like essentials, but just peel it open. We're just going to take a look real quick. So when you pull it out, then you got your silica packs and your tissue paper, but this is how they come out, pretty much wrinkle free. And it's got this cool little tag on here, Shinesty, and it says, super stupid soft shirt. I love their marketing, right? It's always funny. And it just says on here, the Everyman fit fits nicely around your shoulders and chest to accentuate masculine features, fits loose around your waist to de-emphasize pizza and beer, which are delicious. And that is true. Beer and pizza are delicious, but drink responsibly. All in all, these are great shirts. I'm loving the ones that I have. Big thank you to Shinesty. There is going to be a link down in the description with a discount code, so be sure to check it out. And what's cool also too is these are available singly. You can just buy one t-shirt if you want to, or you can get the subscription. If you guys know, or if you remember from the last video, there is a monthly subscription that you can do for their products, for their underwear, but that applies to their t-shirts too. You can build your own bundle, or get a t-shirt a month, which is pretty cool. I think I might be doing that because these are pretty cool. So once again, be sure to check the link down in the description. But before you do, I've got something else I want to show you that I think is really awesome. So one of the cool things about Shinesty's underwear collection is they make them fun, right? There's lots of fun patterns and prints. They sent me some socks, and the socks are crazy. They sent me 2 pairs of their crew socks and 1 of their ankle ones. But I got tuxedo socks. I just find that that's very cool. And then there are these 19th hole Christmas ones where some naughty things are going on. You can see that there. But my favorite pair, okay? If you remember, like we said earlier, I did a video with Sarah, and we got the couple set, and they sent us over what they called the Big Bang. On the prints, the constellation stars were doing some naughty things to each other. They sent me over the Big Bang socks, which I think is just awesome. If you can take a look, you can see some naughty things are going on with the stars. It's just awesome. I've never had underwear and socks match before, but now I do, so it's cool. So fun fact about the socks, they are not only super stupid soft, but they also feature wash to fit technology, meaning once you wash them, they're gonna have that original compression, and they're just amazing. And you can get them in bundles or a subscription, which I highly recommend. Also too, if you don't love them, your first pair is free. The same thing goes with the t-shirt. If you don't love the t-shirt, your first one is free. You really can't go wrong with this. So guys, that's going to do it for today. Please be sure to check out Shinesty for their new Everyman t-shirts and their socks, not to mention all the other things they have, like the underwear, any of the clothing that they have, like dresses for the ladies or suits for the guys or the ladies, pajamas, swimwear. The list is endless of what they offer, so be sure to check that out. And again, there's going to be a link down in the description with a discount code for you guys to check out. So thank you. Please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the social media things. Help me fight the YouTube algorithm. Ring the bell. Be sure to check out thewellroundeddude.com. The website is really the hub of everything that we do here. There's a lot of our trusted partners are there, like Shinesty. You can also find, our Amazon merch page, which has some items that are curated that I think would really, help you guys out. And, 5 most recent episodes of our podcast. So really, you got to check it out. Plus, we've got a merch page with well-rounded dude stuff, and you can save a little bit of dough with discount code DUDE15. So once again, huge thank you to Shinesty for sending out these t-shirts. I love them. They're awesome. And we will see you guys next time. Take care. Peace.